Hi, and welcome to this presentation on accessing usage statistics through Intoda assessment. During this presentation, we will learn a little more about how usage statistics are gathered and where to find them to aid in analyzing their use and value. To begin, let's look at the back end of usage analysis in 360 Counter. Counter stands for Counting Online Usage of Networked Electronic Resources. It was established as a code of practice in 2002 in order to facilitate the recording, exchange, and interpretation of online usage data. Essentially, it is a set of international standards and protocols for the provision of vendor-generated usage statistics. 360 Counter is a service that collects statistics about use of electronic resources from publishers, tracks usage over time, and generates reports and cost analyses using these international standards and protocols. 360 Counter reports are compiled on an annual basis. Reports are pulled using the Standardized Usage Statistics Harvesting Initiative, also called SUSI. This allows for automatic retrieval of counter usage reports from vendors. However, it is important to note that not all vendors employ SUSI. In these cases, it is our responsibility to collect the usage data ourselves and rework it to match counter standards. This data is then manually uploaded to 360 Counter. From here, we are now able to access the usage data through Intoda assessment. Intoda assessment is a collection and usage analysis tool. What that means is that it analyzes counter protocol data to reach meaningful conclusions. Intoda assessment gives selectors an easy way to access counter reports. As selectors, you will have access to credentials that will allow you to use this tool. Intoda assessment allows selectors to run reports as they become available, or schedule reports to be delivered to them at a later date. It can be used to analyze database, ebook, or individual journal usage over periods of months or years. And it can provide a more complete picture of a resource or set of resources, usage, and value. There are a number of report types that selectors commonly use to analyze resource usage. JR1, BR1, and DB1 are among the most commonly accessed report types, with zero usage, top charts, and others can also be very useful in determining the value of ongoing electronic resources. If you'd like to access this resource, go to intoda.proquest.com and log in with the credentials that have been provided for you. It is important to note that not all of our electronic resources, or all of the information for a given resource, will always be available through Intoda assessment. If you have any questions on a resource or on the use of Intoda, or would like additional training, please contact either Rhonda Whithouse or Nathan Elwood. Thank you for listening to this presentation on accessing usage statistics through Intoda assessment.